Fix Spotify not showing on Discord. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify not showing on your Discord. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to your Discord. Tap here on the menu in the top left, then in the bottom right tap on your profile, and here go to connections and disconnect your Spotify from your Discord. Now tap on add in the top right corner, tap on Spotify. Enter here your email address or username and password and tap on login. Now go back to your Discord. Go to your profile. Go to connections and turn this on. Now this should fix the problem of Spotify not showing on Discord. So thanks for watching.